Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you love smart solutions that save space and make life easier, you are going to love this video. Today, I am sharing 20 amazing foldable items that will completely change the way you organize your home and travel, from kitchen essentials to furniture. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more life-changing finds. Alright, let's jump right in. Foldable stainless steel spoon. It's lightweight, durable, and perfect for meals on the go. Open size, 6.3 inches x 1.4 inches, giving you a comfortable grip and easy scooping. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, making it resistant to rust and easy to clean. Perfect for camping, travel, or even your lunch box. Folding size, just 2.4 inches x 1.5 inches, small enough to slip into your pocket or bag. Just unfold it, hook it onto a surface, and you're good to go. Once you are done, fold it back up and slip it into your pocket or drawer. It's strong enough to hold up to, mention weight capacity, perfect for everyday use. Foldable silicone collapsible cup. The perfect solution for drinks on the go. Made from food-grade silicone, it's safe, durable, and flexible. This cup expands when you need it and collapses flat when you are done. Super easy to carry in your bag or pocket. It holds both hot and cold drinks, handling temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. Plus, it comes with a secure lid to prevent spills. Lightweight, reusable, and eco-friendly. No more single-use plastic. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Stay hydrated anywhere, anytime with the silicone collapsible cup, convenience in your pocket. Foldable stainless steel cup. It comes in 3 different sizes: 240 milliliters, 140 milliliters, and 75 milliliters, making it suitable for various needs. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it is both durable and resistant to wear and tear. Good sealing, no water leakage. Twist left to fix the cup. Its keychain design allows you to attach it easily to your keys. Small and lightweight, easy to carry. A foldable silicone funnel is a versatile kitchen tool designed for easy pouring of liquids or dry ingredients into narrow containers without spilling. Made from food-grade silicone, it's safe, non-toxic, and resistant to heat and cold. Its flexible and collapsible design allows it to be folded flat for compact storage, saving space in drawers or cabinets. The funnel is lightweight and durable, making it suitable for both hot and cold liquids. It's also easy to clean, dishwasher safe, or simply rinsed with water. Ideal for transferring oil, sauces, juice, or dry ingredients like flour and sugar, the foldable silicone funnel is a must-have for any kitchen due to its convenience and portability. Foldable silicone collapsible lunch box. 4 storage capacities, is designed for convenience and versatility. Made from food-grade silicone and PP plastic, it is safe for storing food and resistant to odors and stains. It has a wide temperature resistance range from -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, to 204 degrees Celsius, 399.2 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for use in microwaves, freezers, and dishwashers. The lunchbox features an excellent leak-proof design with secure lids to prevent spills and keep food fresh. Its collapsible design allows it to save up to 50% space after use, making it easy to store and carry. Perfect for packing meals, snacks, or leftovers, this lunchbox is a practical and eco-friendly solution for daily use. Foldable silicone water bottle. Small folding size, large expansive capacity, small folded size, only at 2.9 in height, 2.6 in width, capacity 610 milliliters, reusable silicone and water bottle with mouth, easy to storage and carry. Great for daily life, work, gym. Colors, different lifestyle. Foldable hangers are an innovative solution for saving space and organizing clothes efficiently. They are typically made from high-quality plastic, aluminum, or ABS material, ensuring durability and lightweight performance. The foldable design allows them to collapse into a compact size, making them easy to store in drawers, closets, or travel bags. When unfolded, they provide a sturdy structure that can hold various clothing items, including shirts, dresses, suits, and pants. Many models come with non-slip grips or textured surfaces to prevent clothes from slipping off. Some designs also feature rotating hooks for added convenience when hanging clothes in different spaces. Ideal for both home and travel, foldable hangers help maximize closet space and keep clothes wrinkle-free and neatly organized. Their compact design makes them especially useful for packing in suitcases, ensuring your clothes stay in place while traveling. Foldable stool is a versatile and space-saving seating option designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Made from durable plastic, metal, or aluminum, it is lightweight yet strong enough to support significant weight. Its foldable design allows it to collapse flat for easy storage and portability, making it ideal for camping, fishing, gardening, or extra seating at home. Many foldable stools feature anti-slip feet for added stability and safety on different surfaces. Some models come with a carrying handle for easy transport. Despite its compact size when folded, a foldable stool provides a comfortable and stable seat when opened, making it a practical solution for various seating needs. Foldable plastic table. I'm absolutely thrilled with this table. Its sturdiness is remarkable. Whenever I load it up with my handmade bags for events, it stands firmly without even a hint of wobbling. Sure, it's a bit on the heavier side, but that just goes to show how durable it is. Setting it up is a breeze, taking only a moment, and folding it down is just as quick. It's the perfect combination of functionality and convenience. Foldable chair. These camping chairs are super strong and versatile. We've been using them all summer. My son is going to grab one for us now. It comes in a handy sleeve, which makes it easy to store and carry. Just roll it out, and it unfolds instantly, really quick and effortless. There's a cup holder here, which is really convenient. Plus, the legs have rubber ends, so they don't slip on different surfaces. That's a big plus. Want to try sitting on it? There you go, super comfy. Perfect for any outdoor event, camping, picnics, festivals, you name it. We have 4 of these, and we keep them in the car boot so they're always ready when we need them. Such a great buy. Foldable yoga mat. A foldable yoga mat is lightweight, compact, and travel-friendly. It folds neatly for easy storage and transport, unlike traditional rolled mats. Made from materials like TPE, PVC, or natural rubber, it offers a soft yet supportive surface with a non-slip texture for better grip. Available in different thicknesses, it provides cushioning for joints while maintaining stability. Ideal for yoga, pilates, and workouts, it's easy to clean and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Foldable bucket.
So as a quick look and demo of the Euro Indoor-Outdoor Collapsible Bucket. Our favorite feature about this collapsible bucket is it actually comes with a foldable handle as well, which is pretty cool. And this does hold a little over 2.5 gallons of liquids or solids, whatever you are putting in here. And we were very impressed immediately with how sturdy and stable this was as soon as we pushed out the bottom, which does take a little bit of effort, but it's easier to do once you get used to it. And it is very rigid, and we do love the handle, how it folds out very nicely. It did seem very sturdy, so even if you did have a decent amount of heavy material in here or even water, it would be able to sustain that and be sturdy enough to carry that a fairly long distance. And then once you're finished, all you have to do to collapse the bucket is simply push down on it pretty firmly, and it does just snap back into place. There is a little barcode and sticker on the bottom, which is very easy to take off. It's not actually all a sticker. It has a little bit of sticky adhesive in 3 or 4 spots, so it's pretty easy to take out. And then this was the easiest way that I found to actually expand it when it's empty, is put your fist or hand on the bottom and then just pull up. So overall, we thought this was super clever and convenient. This does fold down to about 13.2 by only 2 inches. So it's extremely portable if you wanted to keep this in a shed or garage or even your car. You can actually hang this up too, which we thought was really cool, on that little round hole, which is a spot to actually hook something into it so it can hang off. So overall, we were very big fans of this thing.
Foldable wash dish with drain plug. This folding extra little dish sink that I purchased over a year ago to clean my pumping stuff, my extra bottles for my daughter. It came in such handy when I wanted a separate, more sanitary area for those bottles. I would just plop them in here. What's so cool about this product is 2 things. One, you have this drain right here that you can have closed like I do, or you can open it up just by twisting it, and so the water will drain out of that when you have it in your sink. The other really nice thing is this is collapsible. You can fold it down, which I do when not in use, so you are not taking up a whole bunch of space. So I'll show you what it looks like when it is collapsed. So here we have it collapsed. You can see it's super compact. I just store it here in my kitchen, and then when I need to use it, I just plop it back up. I really love this thing. It could be used for so many different stuff. Highly recommend it. Foldable electric kettle. Easy to fold, easy to unfold. Boil water in less than 5 minutes. Hassle-free power cord. Easy to grip. 304 stainless steel base. 600 milliliters capacity. 1 button operation. Auto shut-off for safety. Perfect for boiling water for coffee, tea and instant meals. Easy to clean. Portable, easy to carry. Foldable baby mosquito net. Is a protective covering designed to keep mosquitoes and other insects away from infants while they sleep or play. Made from breathable mesh fabric, it ensures proper air circulation while providing a secure barrier against bugs. The net typically features a pop-up design or foldable frame, allowing for easy setup and convenient storage. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for use at home, during travel, or outdoors. Many models come with a soft mattress or padded base for added comfort. This net offers a safe and comfortable space for your baby, ensuring peaceful sleep without the risk of insect bites. Foldable baby tub. Is a compact and portable bathtub designed for infants and toddlers. Made from non-toxic, BPA-free plastic and soft silicone, it features a collapsible design that allows it to fold flat for easy storage and transport. The tub typically includes a non-slip base for stability and a built-in drain plug for quick water drainage. Many models have an adjustable reclining backrest and removable support to accommodate a growing baby. Lightweight and easy to set up, it's perfect for use at home or while traveling, providing a safe and comfortable bathing experience for your baby. Foldable clothes dryer is designed to provide a practical and space-saving solution for drying clothes. It is typically made from durable materials like stainless steel, aluminum, or heavy-duty plastic, ensuring resistance to rust and corrosion. The foldable design allows it to collapse into a compact size, making it easy to store behind doors, under beds, or in closets. Most models feature multiple drying levels with adjustable wings or extendable rods to accommodate different types of clothing, including shirts, pants, towels, and delicate fabrics. Some designs have 360-degree rotating hooks for hangers and built-in clips for small items like socks and underwear. It can hold up to 10 to 15 kg of clothes at a time, depending on the model. Many models are also equipped with non-slip feet to provide stability on various surfaces. Lightweight and easy to move, foldable clothes dryers are ideal for indoor and outdoor use, helping to save energy compared to electric dryers while keeping clothes fresh and wrinkle-free. Foldable ladder is a versatile and space-saving tool designed for easy storage and convenience. Made from durable materials like aluminum, steel, or fiberglass, it combines strength with lightweight portability. Its foldable design allows it to collapse into a compact size, making it easy to store in closets, garages, or under beds. Most models feature anti-slip steps and rubber feet for added stability and safety. Some ladders are adjustable, allowing them to function as an A-frame, straight ladder, or even a scaffold. Ideal for home maintenance, repairs, and professional work, a foldable ladder provides reliable support for various tasks. Foldable single bed is a compact, portable bed designed for easy storage and convenience. Made from a metal or wooden frame with a foam or spring mattress, it folds in half for quick setup and storage. Lightweight yet sturdy, it often includes casters for easy movement. Ideal for guests, dorms, or small spaces, it provides a comfortable sleeping solution without taking up much room. Foldable washing machine is a compact, portable appliance made from silicone and plastic. It collapses for easy storage and is lightweight for travel or small spaces. With a capacity of around 1 to 2 kg, it's ideal for washing small loads like baby clothes, underwear, or towels. It features one-touch operation and low water and power consumption, making it perfect for dorms, apartments, and travel.